Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display. Let's tap on it. Now we have to enter the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So basically we've got 15 or 30 seconds, which are relatively short options to choose from, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What is more, we can set never, which simply means that your device will never black out. It's up to you. I will pick 10 minutes for example, just tap on it, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.